Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I am going to show you a very refreshing watermelon sharbat or Tarbooz sharbat. Easy to make, full of goodness of watermelon, and it's very refreshing drink for iftar. So let's get started. I have taken a big slice of watermelon and I'll try to take out the seeds as you can see here. We will try to take out as many seeds as we can see. Then I will cut it thinly. I'll make thin slices of it here as you can see. We'll make small cubes of watermelon. For that I will see if there are any more seeds. I'll try to remove them, and then I will remove the cover or peel of watermelon, and then I'll chop it into very small cubes. As you can see here, I'll make first long slices, then I will chop it into small pieces, small cubes like this. Same way we will do with the rest of pieces. This tastes really good in watermelon sharbat. So here the watermelon cubes are ready, and if there are any seeds we'll try to remove them. Then moving to other ingredients. Other ingredients include around 2 glasses of water. I have taken chilled water. The chilled it is, the tastier it becomes. So here you will see I'll taken around 2 glasses of chilled water. Then I have taken a small glass of watermelon juice. It's optional. If you don't have, you can skip it. Then I have taken powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is important, or else it will take time to get dissolved in chilled water. Then I have taken 2 tablespoons of rose syrup of ruabza, and then watermelon, as I have already shown you how I have made cubes out of this here. Thing is, I will dissolve the rose syrup in water. I'll mix it. Then I will add sugar and watermelon juice. Sugar, I would like to mention again, try to take powder or as fine as you can take. Then I will be adding watermelon cubes, and then I'll add ice cubes. Give it a good mix and our sharbat is ready. Here you can see. Here the sharbat is ready. It's so tasty and so refreshing that you will just want more and more. Now it's ready to be served. So here I'll transfer it to the glasses and wait for iftar. Refrigerate it and then take it, and it tastes really good when it's chilled. Here you can see I'm transferring it to the glasses. Watermelon is very delicious and refreshing fruit, and it contains many nutrients. And it helps us to stay hydrated, and it's one of the best sharbats to have at iftar. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas, Allah Hafiz.